Now it's time, snuggle up, little one. Hold me tight, snuggle up, day is done.
It's bedtime with Barney all over the world. Bedtime with Barney for all boys and girls.
Oh, I love story time. Now it's time, snuggle up, little one. Let me read just for you, you're the one.
It's bedtime with Barney, so come gather round. Bedtime with Barney.
And we're story bound. Hi there, it's me, your friend Barney. And I've got such a fun story just for you. So, are you ready to listen? Nice and comfy? Great! My story is called The Little Porridge Pot. And do you know what porridge is? Right! It's a yummy, ooshy-gooshy kind of cereal that you cook on a stove. Sort of like oatmeal. Now, while I tell the story, you can just relax and use your imagination. Ready? Then here we go. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Anna who was sweet and kind, but very poor. One day, Anna's mother looked in the cupboard and said,
"We have no food at all, not even a bite. What will we do?"
Don't worry, Mama.
said brave little Anna.
I will go to the woods and find nuts and berries for us to eat.
Anna walked deep into the beautiful green woods until she reached a great big tree that grew good-tasting nuts. But
Oh no! The squirrels have eaten every nut.
so Anna walked deeper into the woods until she came to a patch of berry bushes. But
Oh dear! The birds have eaten every berry.
so Anna walked until she found a fine old apple tree. And
Oh look! There is one shiny red apple hanging on the tree.
Anna carefully climbed up the tree and picked the apple.
This will be a fine supper for my mother and me.
But when Anna climbed back down to the ground, she got a surprise.
Hello, little girl.
Hello!
It was a very old woman, dressed in clothes that were tattered and torn.
Little girl, I am so hungry. May I please have that apple?
Anna knew that if she gave away the apple, she and her mother would have nothing to eat. But
You look so hungry. And it is nice to share. Here, you may have the apple.
and as soon as the old woman took the apple, something wonderful happened.
Oh my! She's changing!
As Anna watched, the old woman turned into a young and beautiful lady. She was wearing a long dress made of bright green leaves, and in her hair was a crown made of flowers.
I am the Lady of the Woods. Because you were nice enough to share with me, I have a present for you. Take this.
Why, it's a little cooking pot!
And it's very special. When you say, "Cook, little pot, cook," it will bubble and boil and fill with porridge. And when you say, "Stop, little pot, stop," it will stop cooking.
Oh, thank you! Thank
Anna
you!
waved goodbye and hurried home to show her mother the wonderful gift.
Mother, look!
They put the little cooking pot on the kitchen table, and then Anna said,
Cook, little pot, cook!
the little cooking pot started to bubble and boil. And soon it was full of nice hot porridge. Anna and her mother quickly filled their bowls and took a taste.
It tastes so good.
They were so hungry that they ate and ate. And when they couldn't eat even one more bite, Anna said,
Stop, little pot, stop.
and the little cooking pot stopped. And for many fine days after that, whenever they got hungry, Anna said,
Cook, little pot, cook.
and when they had eaten enough, Anna said,
Stop, little pot, stop.
Then one shiny summer morning, Anna went to visit her grandfather, who lived in another village. Anna's mother stayed at home, and when lunchtime came, she was feeling very hungry. She looked at the empty cooking pot on the table and said,
Let's see. Now, what are the words that Anna uses? Oh, yes. Cook, little pot, cook.
and the little cooking pot started to bubble and boil, and soon it was almost full of porridge. So Anna's mother said,
Enough, little pot, enough. I said, enough, little pot, enough.
but those weren't the right words, and the little cooking pot kept right on cooking. The porridge bubbled up to the top of the pot and started pouring down onto the table, and then onto the floor.
Oh, no. What are the words I have to say? I can't remember. Oh, no more, little pot, no more.
Uh-oh, those weren't the right words either. And the little pot kept cooking until the whole floor was covered with gooey porridge. And Anna's mother had to run outside.
My goodness, what a mess. And the porridge is right behind me.
Anna's mother hurried down the street, calling to the neighbors.
Leave your homes, the porridge is coming.
And it was. The porridge slurped and slurped all the way to the neighbor's house. And the house next to that. The porridge went over fences and under gates, around trees and through people's yards. It went indoors and came out windows, and before long, everyone had to leave their homes.
Oh, I wish I could remember those words.
Just then, Anna came walking back from visiting her grandfather, and she was very surprised to see her village being covered with porridge.
It must be coming from my little cooking pot.
Anna knew the special words she had to say, and if you know the words, you can say them too. Ready?
Stop, little pot, stop.
And the little cooking pot stopped. Everyone cheered, and Anna's mother gave her a big hug.
My little Anna, I love you so much.
I love you too, Mama.
And when the people of the village finally tasted the porridge, they loved it too, which was a very good thing, because the only way to get rid of all that porridge was to eat every last bit of it. And that's just what they did. The end. I hope you liked that funny story. Just imagine, if you had a little cooking pot like that, what kind of food would you like it to make? And who would you invite to a party to share all that yummy food? That's something fun that you can think about. Or maybe even something fun for you to dream about tonight. Time to sleep, time to dream, little one. Close your eyes, covers up, night has come.
It's bedtime with Barney.
Let's turn apple